All right, all right. We had a slight hiccup with this Wi-Fi. It looks like. Right. Live, 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 live. All right, let's see. So I got an entry down here at 24,990.25 for longs. For longs. Let's get rid of that first one. So let's see if we can get an order filled down here. Delete that. There's this one here. Yes, there we go. All right, all right, all right, all right. Let's see what's going on a higher time frame. Get a little push up right there. Oh. Okay. 5, 25, 23. All right, everybody. And then I have a video dropping today, a brand new video, and it's going to be on my top 5 countries for traders. So be on the lookout. That video will be released later on today. 7/3/23. So the question is, are we going to even get any kind of real push today? I'm a little skeptical. I feel like we might consolidate for a good long while. And I'm not even sure if we're going to even take out yesterday's high or low. May not be the thing to do today. May have to just take some quick scalps. Okay, let's see. Right. What's going on? Angel, what's going on, man? What's going on? Yeah, we're checking this thing out today, Thursday. Seeing if we may flush on down to this level, to this 24,990.25. I'm looking to go long right there. So I just want to see if we get that flush down. Don't think we're quite ready to go up yet. I don't think. So I thought about taking an entry at 25,019. At this, I was going to take an entry right here to go long at this level, but something was telling me that maybe it's just not quite time to go long. I was going to go in right here for longs. As soon as we broke this level, I was going to go long. But I don't know, something about that level that I like it a little bit better down here if it's going to be, if we're going to go long. Now here is the London low. So now it could come down here and stop me right out, but I'm in for like 14 points of risk micro. I'm sorry, one micro across 20 Apex funded accounts. So we're not risking a lot, but what I would do is add, let's see if we get filled. I would add to the position if the trade continues to go in my favor. I just want to see what happens at that level. We're almost got filled. But being that we're doing this, I'm glad I didn't take that entry at 25,019 because it's looking like it wants to do some other things first. And we have some low volume down here. 5. So let's see if we can get a feel. But what I'm banking on is so we took out the overnight high, but I'm banking on us not taking out the overnight low. It's a little risky because sometimes it will sweep it'll sweep the high and the low from overnight, but just got a feeling that we might not sweep that low. We may come on back up. Let's see what happens if we get this fill. And let's hope it doesn't stop me out immediately. Come on, what you want to do? Let's go. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's go. I'm sorry, man. Hold on. No. Did I get that wrong? The London low is at 24,952. Yeah, London low is down here. I don't know what I'm talking about. This is the London low. So I'm banking on it not taking that out. Come on, let's get this fill down here. Let's get filled out. Let's get the fill. Don't tell me you're ready to push up from there. That would be a little bit odd. Sell 75. Let me see here, 25. I just still think we're not gonna do a big move today. I just don't see the big move. So I'm willing to just take some scalps today. 1, 2 scalps. Yeah, you back. Yeah, I think my Wi-Fi kind of chopped out for a second. I had to restart the stream, but she's back. She's back. Yeah, what's going on? But let's see. We left here. See if we get this fill down here, man. I think it's possible to get in at that level. Or we might just range. We broke down there. Let's go over and see what got any kind of good volume on this. Any good volume? Any good volume? Then tomorrow is when we may do this. If we range all day today, tomorrow could be the sell-off. Possibly. That's not really showing anything of significance at that level. Alright, we might took that out there. Alright, Cuzzo. day. Weekend's almost here. Sell 75. See if we get this fill right here. Almost got it. And this. So we don't have much risk on right now, even if we do get stopped out. But I like that entry for a long. Just flushes me out then. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, everybody. Up $15, up $20 across 20 accounts. So take profit. The first level would be 25,055 if we keep pushing up. But they say if, yeah, that's a big if. But if we can get some buyers to step in, and if we have some absorption, if these sellers can get absorbed at this level, we would be looking pretty good. We need these sellers to be absorbed like a sponge. Absorb these sellers. Come on, man. Let's hold it down. Buyers, hold it down. Hold it down. Hold it down. If I get stopped out, which getting close to getting stopped out right there. Let's see. Might. I don't know, everybody. But we're in for small risk, so oh man, it might get us out. And if so, it's gonna probably come down and get that London low, which I was banking on and not doing that. Yeah, it's gonna stop us out. All right. Well,
stop filled.
Okay, we got stopped out. $20. So being that it did that, okay. So if we take out, oh, it's about to die out. Let's see. Gotta plug up this other laptop. What? There we go. All right, stopped out, man. Stopped out. Thought we had something right there, but we took out some liquidity. So let's try. I had 990. So 556. I had it right there. Let's go.
Order rejected.
Oh. It rejected it because I was above the action. Let me try that order again. Same level. 925. Stop loss down here. See if we can get this filled. Let's see if we get it.
Order filled.
So my stop loss is down here at 24,976. If we can nail this low, because we took some liquidity here at this level. So let's put this right below that, right there. 24,975. So I basically just re-entered, got stopped out. You know, I had the entry at 990.25, got stopped out, and I just re-entered at the same level. Just to see if I was right just early. Sometimes that happens, you know, you're right on the direction, but you're just too early. So we'll just see right now. See if we can nail this level. If it comes back down here to 975.25, then we'll get stopped out again for a small loss. But let's see. Swept the liquidity. But I'm banking on this not taking out the London low. That's what this trade, you know, would be predicated on, not taking out the London low. See if we get some absorption. Come on, buyers. Where are the buyers? Come on, man. Step in, step in. Step up to the plate. Get back in that value area. And 25,050. Okay, let's get a push. Come on. 25,055 would be my first TP. So, I would like to, if we can get this trade to continue in our favor, I would like to add to it, but I don't want to add just yet because it's not showing me the real strength just yet. I'm not sure the buyers are really in the building right now. Not quite sure about that. But we can take a look at some volume. We can take a look to see if, let's see if buyers could be stepping in. And we're light, going light today. I just feel like this is a day to go light. That's why I have one micro on right now. 75, 675. I would like to see some higher numbers on this other chart. Okay, that's one right there. So it's possible that buyers are here, but I would like to see a little bit more strength. Up $25. But really, we took a $20 loss initially, so really right now it's just kind of a break-even situation. I would like to see us close up here. If we can close above 25,014 on the 5-minute chart, I would feel a lot better about adding. Yeah. Pushing down a little bit on me. Pushing down. I might get another stop out. Unless the buyers can come and help me out. Let's close above 25,014, man. You guys might get stopped out again. The way it's looking. That should have. See.
Stop filled.
Stop out. Okay. Well, all right, that one didn't work. That one didn't work, everybody. That one did not work. $9.65. Okay, well. All right. This one, let's see. Let's take a look at this particular.
Stop filled.
So I got in there because that's another level that if we're gonna go up, still think we may not get that London low. I'm just still on that path. So I can put a stop loss down here. Because some days it doesn't take out the low. And if we're gonna push, maybe, I was a bit early, but let's see if we get stopped out again or if we get the push that we're looking for. See if these buyers can step in. So as you can see, I'm still bullish, even though like we're pushing down and it's looking like a sell, but I'm still banking on this pushback up into the 25,050, 25,055. Still looking for us to come up here. So let's just see how it works out. But if we take the London low, then I'll get stopped out again, obviously. See if we can close above. So we got some volume. If we can close above like 25,007 on the 5-minute chart. We just need these buyers to come on to the party. Party has started. Buyers, let's party. So as long as we don't take the London low, this trade will work. But I just don't need that London low taken out. We need to come back up here to this engineered liquidity. That's what I'm looking for. The Asian session high was taken out, but I don't want to see the Asian session low taken out. You know, we don't need that. Come on, man. And where is let me see here real quick too. Where is the point of control right now too? Because point of control is up here at 25,030. I just don't want this London low taken out, man. We need to come back up to this point of control. We need to come back to the point of control, man. Let's come back up there. Do not need this London low taken out. But it's pushing down like it wants to. We got some liquidity down there too. Yeah, this trade, I don't know. So if New York is gonna see the New York session, at times we get a fake out. So what I'm hoping is that we're presenting a sell, but really it's a buy. So man, it's coming down a little bit more than I wanted to. If we're gonna push, we should push right here. If. $1,300. I really want to see us break this 07 level. 25,007. We need to get up there. We need to get up to 25,007. We really need to get up there. Come on, 25,007. These buyers. Hmm. 25,007, then 20. So the first level we need to really get above is 25,089. Next, 25,007. We need to clear those two levels. zoom in a little bit so you can see what's going on. So this right here, we need to clear this level right here. If we can get past these two and close, but right now, oh, come on, man. Come on, come on, come on. Well, maybe it wants to take out that London low. I was banking on that not happening, but it's looking like strong possibility. Man, buyers, come on in here, man. Come on. Pushing down. Come on. If I can just push this thing up. This is what we need here. We need this to keep going. This is what I was looking for, but we need some follow through. Follow through. Follow through. Buyers, follow through. Let's get this. If we can get this, we got 2 minutes on this 5-minute candle. I want this to close above 89. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. You can do it. These sellers, bro. Two minutes. 2 minutes. Two minutes, 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle. Follow through. Come on, we need to follow through. Buy, okay, 25. We need some follow through. So we're let's keep going with this. Let's keep going with this. Keep going with it. We don't need the London low taken out. No London low. No London low. What's that level right there? That is 68.50. So we don't need to come back down there is the main thing. Let's put an order in right here if we get filled. Are we gonna close? We should. We might need to just keep that. Let me keep.
Order filled.
Alright, and we'll just make this 40. put that down here for a stop loss. All right, man. Let's see if we can get this. Shouldn't be coming back down there. So we got about. All right. So we're in for 2 micros across 20 accounts. So I'm banking on us getting up here to 25,008. Want to see us close up there. Stop loss down there at 24,958. We need some follow through with these buyers. And if we get it, we can take another entry, but I'm not going to do it right here. If we can get above this level, man. We need to get up to the value, into that point of control, which is at 25,029.75. 29. That's right there. So point of control, everybody, is right here, right at this level. Point of control. So I would actually take. If we can get up here, I would close the trade, to tell you the truth. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put, let's just do 29,000. I'd be willing to take off all of the position at this level. But we gotta get there. Gotta get there first. We gotta see if we can make something shake. It's got potential. I mean, it's only 30 points. Give me 30 points, man. Just 30 more points. 40. Well, 40 more points. Let's call it 50. Just give me a 50. Just give me a 50 points, man. Let's do what we have to do here. So this is, well, you can probably see, but this is a 1 minute chart. 5 minute candle, well, 10:45, so we got another 5 minutes. 60. Come on, follow through. Follow through. 30 points, 30 more points. Follow through for me. Follow through. Follow through. Follow through. Let's take
Order filled.
So we got in right there for two more micros. We got 80. Follow through. Stop loss moved up. To this level. So we shouldn't be coming back down there, man, if we get a true push. Come on, man. Let's give me what I need here. Point of control is still at 25,029. So we'll leave this here for the exit. Come on, let's hit it. It's only 20 more points. Come on, man. Let's help me out here. Help me out. Come on, buyers. Follow through, follow through, follow through. So close. We need one more nice strong push. So we in for 4 micros across 20 accounts. Close. Point of control. We gotta hit through this 200 moving average too. 200 right there. But the point of control is right there too. I don't like that 200 sitting right there. I don't like that thing is sitting right there like that. But point of control is still there, everybody. We should be able to tap that at 29. Not far away from it. Should be able. Trying to be patient, stay in the trade. Follow through, follow through. Follow through, man. Follow through. Almost. You can do it. You can do it. Push through the 200. That's it. why I think it restarted like that by itself. But okay, we got field, baby. We got field, baby. We got field, baby. We got field. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go. Got field. That's what I'm talking about, man. I felt like even though we were pushing down, I felt that bounce was gonna happen. So that got us a, we were in for 4 micros across 20 accounts. That's $8 a point. So you can see, so previously I got stopped out twice. And that happened here. 24,968.50, and we closed out at 25,029. Okay, so that was got a nice trade. I wanted to stay in longer, but I was cool with taking that base hit. Sometimes you got to take the base hit days. So base hit, that's cool. That's cool. 96, so we had was 32. So we got about a 60-point push, all in all. So that was a pretty good trade. And how I was talking about us not taking out the London low, I just felt like we weren't going to take it out. Now we could take it out later. I just didn't feel like it was the time to take it out in that moment. But I'll take that. I'll take that right there. And I'm not going to be greedy and go in for more today. Make it a green week. So yeah, that's the, and so the reasoning behind this trade, if we zoom out on this chart, you saw how early in the session we pushed up. Let me hold on 1 second here. So early in the session, so this right here, so let's go to a 5-minute chart. No, we'll keep it here on 1 minute. So this here is the, and my clock is out of sync too, so, but basically this here, let me see. Here we go. This is the first candle of the session right here. First candle. So we came down, and then this push up here, this leg indicated to me that maybe we're not gonna have a true flush. Now it did come down considerably. If you look at, from here to here, it did pipe down. Well, no, I'm sorry. If you look at from here to here, from here to here, it came down considerably, but I was looking for the bounce because of this leg. All right, so again, when I got in on the first entry, in which I got stopped out, that was me looking back at this leg. This leg from the overnight session. So I'm thinking like, hey, we come down and sweep this little level. That was my first entry to go back up. However, I was wrong, you guys. It continued to push down. So I said, okay. And I tried it again because we came down and we started to go back up. And I took the same level, all right, on my second trade. Stopped out again. So that's 2 trades I got stopped out on for a very small loss. So then at that point, I said, all right, we're going to come sweep this level, which we did. And I looked at this level next because this leg was interesting. Nice strong push in the overnight session. So I said, okay, well, I don't think we're going to come take out this London low. I like this level for an entry. Once we sweep this point, then I'll be willing to jump in. And you guys, that's the trade that won. That worked out for me. So if we go over here to the right, you can see from this level here, my first entry right here at this level. Okay, so horizontal line, this was my entry right there. Okay, so there were two levels I liked. That first one where I got stopped out twice, and then this one. I was banking on the London low not being taken out at that time anyway. And we got a nice 60-point push to the upside. So yeah, you guys, that trade worked, and that was my psychology for that trade. And you know, I wanted to go light. I wanted to go light on that. All right, and let's go over here to this next. Let me see here if we can get the other screen here. Screen 2. And you guys, I have a video dropping later on today, and it'll be about my top 5 countries for traders. And I've lived in all 5 of these countries. Top 5 countries for day traders. So that video will be dropping later on today. Be on the lookout for that. Right. So let's come here, and so yep, got that video dropping. It's already done. I just have to upload it. Okay, so now this is my trading view, and as you can see, this point of control is what I was targeting. That's why I got out. Now the point of control is still at that level currently. So this is the point of control currently still, and I got out here. Now I did want to exit here, to be honest with you. I wanted to hold it this long, or at least this long, but you know, we're talking another 20 points, 20 plus points, 30 points. I left 30 more points on the table. Got out at 29. Could have got out at 48. Left 20 points on the table, but it's not a big deal. So this is previous day's close. All right. So that was, and that was a $235 gain across 20 Apex funded accounts. 235 today times 20. So base hit day. You know, that's it. So you guys gonna end the stream, let you all continue with your day. I'm gonna get some breakfast here, and thanks for tuning in. Again, the video will be dropping later on my funded accounts. Hey Simon, what's going on? What's going on, man? Yeah, Vietnam. So the video that's dropping later on today, we'll drop that video in about 30 minutes here on YouTube. And my guy Simon, you know, I met him in Vietnam. Turned out we were from the same city in the States, in Charlotte, and you know, man, and had a good time in Vietnam. He's still there though, man. I know you're still there having a good time. I'll be back to Asia. I'll be back. I will be back. But in this video that's dropping later on, we're gonna mention Vietnam in the video. Vietnam is in the video. Yes, it is. We have some Vietnam footage, and we are talking about Vietnam in the video. But we talking about other countries too, so I don't want to give it away everything, but Vietnam is mentioned in the video. So yeah, man. So that's it. Green Day, and hey everybody, video will be coming soon, so be on the lookout. And I will catch you all soon. And shout out to my guy, Neek Maximus, for the music. All right, if you guys need any music, hit up Neek Maximus. His info is in the description. All right.